Welcome to EEX 3417 Software Development for Engineers. I am Neil Herath. I am Academic Coordinator for this course. This course may be a new experience for most of you with an online learning management systems. Online courses provide you with different ways to study using text, images, audio and video. Online courses promote self-study methods, so you are completely responsible for regular studying, searching, updating the activities in LMS. Actually, what is LMS? LMS is a web page and database, so consisting teacher can design courses, teacher can teach using LMS, student can study at home or classroom learning, like that. So this is a new trend. In this LMS there are topics. Here there are topics: welcome, course content and questionnaire, self-learning, course details, day school, assessment, marks, past papers. So we will see the first one, welcome topic. In this topic you can see contact details. In contact details you can see academic coordinators, other academic coordinators including me listed here. And announcement. Announcement you can see announcements uploaded by teachers. This is, I have added this test for displaying for you. Other thing, at the first time you can see all the topics in one page. Then you can go navigate each topic by clicking this. The next one you can go by clicking this. Previous one you can go by clicking this. We will go to the introduction to the course. Here you can see in this course there are two components: continuous assessments and the final exam. In continuous assessment, we call it as CA. CA includes 3 lab sessions, 1 tutor mark assignment called TMA, 1 mini project and it called MP, 2 continuous assessments called CAT. All the activities of continuous assessments are conducted online except 2 CATs. Lab sessions, there are 3 lab sessions. First and second labs include flowchart and C programming. Third lab includes graphical user interface and database management systems. Tutor mark assignments. You can download the PDF of the TMA, and then you have to answer at home, and you have to upload before the before the deadline. There is a TMA Dropbox in this LMS, so you can attach answers to the TMA to that Dropbox. Remember, it is it should the size of one PDF file should be less than 10 MB. Mini projector is a small individual project which is based on database management systems. So we will give marks by marks, and remember, mini project marks should be greater than or equal to 40, and the total of these all continuous assessments marks should be greater than or equal to 40 to sit the final exam. We will go to the next one, questionnaire. This questionnaire you have to complete at first, because you can see all the other activities after completing this questionnaire. You have to complete this questionnaire. Then all these activities, all these topics are you cannot see all these topics until this until you fill this questionnaire. Other topic is self-learning. In this section, in this topic, you can study all the sessions included in the block 1 and block 2 given for this course online. We will see these topics. First book as unit 1. You can see we have included session 1 as this. These contents are same as the book, and then the main difference is you can upload answers to the questions and submit. You can you can attach answers by text, images, audio, or by video. You can record also. You can record audio and video. There is another video I have uploaded to the LMS, how to attach answers to this text box using text, audio and video. And another thing is hour of code practice. This is you can go to this hour of code and practice this is very essential to study the algorithms and flowchart and algorithms. There are 10 levels from 1 to 10. Please try level 1 to 4. I have given a video how to do this exercise up to level 2. You can see all the sessions, 27 sessions here. Then we will go to the course details. Course details has PDF file of the 2 blocks. Here you can download soft copies of block 1 and block 2 books. There are additional learning materials also. These are some of these we have created, and you can download by clicking this. The next topic is day schools. There are 5 day schools. Even these folders are available. We have not uploaded, still not uploaded. We will upload it recently. Assessment, another very essential topic is assessment. In this, for all these assessments you will get marks. First one is lab 1. Lab 1 first assessment is lab. There are 3 labs: lab 1, lab 2 and lab 3. Other assessment is tutor mark assessment. Here you can see the TMA Dropbox. We will upload TMA question paper here, and you can upload your TMA answers here. Mini project, we will upload the mini project question activity here, and you have to upload mini project answers here. We will give the deadline later on. Marks, ultimate CA marks and final exam marks will be uploaded to the here. You can get past papers by this topic. Here you can see the past papers here. You can download by clicking this.